Today, we're diving deep into three everyday powerhouses: peanuts, apples, and sweet potatoes. You might think you know them, but are you eating them in ways that truly boost your health? Or could some combinations be secretly harming you? We'll uncover their amazing benefits, reveal surprising dangers, and share the very best pairings to supercharge your well-being. Stick around until the end for crucial tips on how to maximize the health potential of each and discover who should never consume certain versions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this vital information. Peanuts, your daily dose of wellness. Let's start with peanuts, often seen as a simple snack, but packed with incredible power. Heart health peanuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3. These healthy fats lower bad cholesterol LDL and raise good cholesterol HDL, cleansing your blood vessels and significantly reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Don't let the fat content scare you. These are the good fats. Blood sugar control with a low glycemic index. Peanuts help prevent blood sugar spikes. Studies show that regular consumption can reduce diabetes risk by up to 30%. A handful after meals can be a game changer for blood sugar management. Brain power and anti-aging lecithin, vitamin B, and powerful antioxidants, like vitamin E and resveratrol in peanuts, boost brain function, enhance memory, and fight off cell damage, keeping your skin youthful and your mind sharp. Peanut pitfalls and power pairings. Worst pairing: anchovies. Believe it or not, the beloved anchovy-peanut combo is a nutritional mismatch. Peanuts contain phytic acid, which hinders the absorption of calcium from anchovies. Instead, pair anchovies with green chili peppers for better calcium uptake. Danger zone: old peanuts. This is crucial. Never eat peanuts that smell off or are soft. Rancid fats can become carcinogenic. Even worse, moldy peanuts can produce aflatoxin, a potent carcinogen linked to liver damage. Proper storage: airtight, refrigerated, or frozen, is essential. Best pairing: peanut butter unsweetened. Yes, peanut butter is a superfood. It promotes satiety, aids weight loss by boosting metabolism, and its low glycemic index helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Enjoy a spoonful 15 minutes before meals. Super pairing: apples with peanut butter. This duo is a dream for blood sugar control and satiety. The pectin in apples, combined with peanut butter's healthy fats and protein, slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full. Apples, an ancient secret to longevity. Next, the humble apple, an ancient symbol of health. Cancer prevention apples, especially their pectin, promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for colon health. They sweep away harmful toxins and reduce the risk of colon cancer. Vitamin C further boosts immunity and fights tumor growth. Dementia defense. The quercetin in apple peels helps protect brain cells and lowers cortisol, a stress hormone linked to memory loss. Always eat apples with their skin for maximum brain-boosting benefits. Heart health and hydration: rich in potassium. Apples help lower blood pressure and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. They also contribute to overall hydration and skin health, with vitamin A, promoting cell regeneration for a youthful glow. Apple alerts and amazing allies. Worst pairing: milk. Combining apple's organic acids with milk. Protein can lead to curdling in the stomach, causing indigestion and bloating. Opt for low-fat milk or plant-based alternatives with your apple. Danger zone: spicy or oily foods. Apples, while digestive aids, can clash with heavy, spicy, or fried foods. Spicy food already irritates the stomach, and adding apple's acidity can lead to excessive stomach acid, heartburn, and indigestion. Allow at least 2 hours between consuming oily foods and apples. Best pairing: carrots. Juicing apples and carrots creates a powerhouse for skin health, vision, and overall vitality. This vitamin-rich blend is perfect for those with digestive or dental sensitivities. Another excellent pairing: boiled eggs. Eggs provide complete protein and vitamin D, essential for strong bones and muscle health. Paired with apples, you get a balanced, nutrient-dense boost for overall well-being. When to eat apples? You can enjoy apples morning or evening. However, eating apples or any fruit late at night, after 8 p.m., can disrupt your digestive system's natural rest cycle. Prioritize whole apples over juices to retain all beneficial fiber and nutrients. Sweet potatoes, the root of vitality. Finally, the versatile sweet potato, a global superfood. Immunity powerhouse: sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, dramatically boosting your immune system. They protect your gut lining, shielding you from viruses and bacteria, especially important during seasonal changes. Gut health champion. Extremely rich in dietary fiber, sweet potatoes promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and nourish beneficial gut bacteria. They act as an internal cleanser, improving overall bowel function, anti-aging and disease fighter. Sweet potatoes are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which combat cellular damage, slow aging, and reduce inflammation. These compounds play a critical role in preventing chronic diseases, like heart disease and cancer. Sweet potato snafus and savory solutions. Worst pairing raw sweet potatoes. Raw sweet potatoes are high in potassium. For those with compromised kidney function, excessive raw potassium can be dangerous, leading to hyperkalemia, which can cause severe health issues. Always cook sweet potatoes to break down these compounds and enhance nutrient absorption. Danger zone roasted or dried sweet potatoes for some. While delicious, roasting or drying, sweet potatoes significantly increases their glycemic index as starches convert to sugars. This can cause rapid blood sugar spikes, making them particularly risky for diabetics or those managing blood sugar. Worst pairing for diet peanuts. If you're dieting, avoid pairing sweet potatoes with peanuts. The combination of high carbs from sweet potatoes and high fat from peanuts can stimulate insulin production, leading to increased fat storage and hindering weight loss efforts. Best pairing apples. The fiber in both sweet potatoes and apples works synergistically to improve digestion, prevent gas, and stabilize blood sugar. A truly harmonious pair. Another excellent pairing: tomatoes. Tomatoes, with their powerful antioxidant lycopene, are fantastic for cancer prevention and cardiovascular health. Combined with sweet potatoes, this duo effectively flushes out excess sodium and toxins, making it a natural detoxifier. Sweet potato buying and storage tips. Choose medium-sized, firm, smooth sweet potatoes with vibrant, clear skin. Store them in a cool, dark, well-ventilated area, not the refrigerator, as cold temperatures can damage them and reduce sweetness. Remove any damaged or decaying sweet potatoes immediately. To prevent spoilage of others, eat smart, live healthy. By understanding the unique properties of peanuts, apples, and sweet potatoes, and how they interact with other foods, you can make smarter choices to significantly boost your health. Remember, awareness is key to unlocking the full potential of your diet. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and share it with those you care about. Your journey to optimal health starts now.